Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today with this video we are starting a new playlist, and in this playlist you're gonna learn everything there is to know about NFTs. And hopefully at the end of this playlist you will make huge profits with NFTs. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so not to miss out any videos from this completely free playlist. Now let's just jump right into our video. So let's start with the first question. What is an NFT? So NFT stands for non-fungible token. An NFT is a digital asset that represents real-world objects like art, music, in-game items, and videos. You can buy and sell NFTs mostly with cryptocurrencies, and NFTs are usually encoded with the same underlying software as many cryptos. So what makes NFTs so special and different? NFTs are mostly one of a kind, or at the very least, one of a very limited collection. They each have unique identifying codes. You may be thinking that NFTs are worthless or buying an NFT for millions of dollars is stupid, but these unique identifying codes make each NFT one of its kind. And it's not about just the NFT. Generally, the collection that NFT belongs to is more important. Don't see NFTs as basic JPEGs or PNGs. Some of them gives you holder-only accesses. By being a holder of specific collections, you'll get certain perks. And apart from accessing some real-life physical perks, you sometimes will get airdrops. An NFT airdrop is a distribution of NFTs or digital assets that are sent to a Web3 wallet address for free as a promotion or as added value for participating in an experience or purchasing another digital asset. It basically means getting a free NFT because you are a holder. I'll give you an example from my collection. So I bought this Hyundai Metamobility NFT approximately 2 months ago for $150. The floor price is approximately $80, but I got this Hyundai Ioniq 6 as an airdrop for free, and I actually sold one of them for $100 1 week ago, so I made about $50 profit by selling the free airdropped NFT. You can also use NFTs to make payments. You can stake certain NFTs and make money off of it. So as you realized, NFTs have more features than you might have guessed. In the next videos of our playlist, we will learn every single one of them and learn how to make profits by using these features. And that pretty much concludes our first video. As most first videos, this was a quick explanation of NFTs. But in our next video, we will start to learn how to make big bucks with NFTs. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on for more upcoming videos of the new completely free NFT playlist. And I also suggest you to check out our Instagram page because we share very important information, breaking news, and crypto memes on our page. We share approximately everything there's to share about crypto and business world in general. So make sure to follow our Instagram too, from the links in the description box below. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.